In Valentinian cosmology, the relationship between Ecclesia, church, and the vowels of the Greek alphabet holds symbolic and theological significance, as highlighted in A Valentinian Exposition from the Nag Hammadi Library. This connection reflects the emanative process by which divine attributes are expressed and harmonized within the Pleroma, the fullness of divine reality. Ecclesia, one of the 26 aeons emanating from the sun, embodies the collective unity of divine aspects, while the vowels represent the creative voice that shapes and sustains this assembly. The vowels as symbols of divine expression. The 7 Greek vowels, A alpha, Epsilon, E Eta, Iota, Omicron, E, Upsilon, and O omega, are central to the Valentinian understanding of creation and emanation. Unlike consonants, which rely on vowels for sound, the vowels are self-sufficient, symbolizing the self-originating and sustaining nature of divine expression. In this system, the vowels correspond to the Aeons Anthropos, human, and Ecclesia, assembly, with Anthropos representing the source of the divine voice, and Ecclesia, its manifestation. The sound produced by the vowels mirrors the process of divine articulation, where the ineffable thoughts of the Father and the Son take form through the creative voice. As the voice of the divine, the vowels reflect the active process by which Ecclesia, as the assembly of divine attributes, is brought into existence. This underscores the unity of the individual, Anthropos, and the collective, Ecclesia, within the Pleroma, revealing a deeply interconnected reality. Ecclesia's role in the emanative process. In the Valentinian framework, Ecclesia is part of the tetrad consisting of word, logos, life, zoe, man, anthropos, and church, ecclesia. This tetrad mirrors the archetypal structure of divine emanation, where each aeon plays a distinct role in reflecting the glory of the Father and the Son. While word and life are directly associated with the ineffable source, the one who is, Anthropos and Ecclesia emerge as their syzygies, expressing the relational and creative dynamics within the Pleroma. The vowel's association with Ecclesia highlights its role as the assembly or collective realization of divine attributes. Just as the vowels form the foundation of speech, Ecclesia represents the structure and coherence of the Pleroma. The vowel's inherent ability to generate sound independently symbolizes the self-sustaining nature of Ecclesia, which derives its essence from the divine voice of Anthropos. The symbolic distribution of the letters. Valentinian cosmology assigns symbolic roles to the letters of the Greek alphabet, dividing them among the aeons in the Pleroma. The vowels, numbering 7, are attributed to Anthropos and Ecclesia. This symbolic distribution reflects their creative and formative functions. The act of vocalization, intrinsic to the vowels, parallels the emanation of divine attributes, where the ineffable thoughts of the divine take form and structure. In this context, the vowels are more than linguistic elements. They are sacred symbols of divine creativity. As Anthropos speaks, the vowels resonate, shaping Ecclesia as the assembly of divine attributes. This process symbolizes the harmonious interplay between sound and form, where the divine voice gives life and coherence to the Pleroma. The unity of individual and collective existence. The connection between the vowels and Ecclesia also emphasizes the unity of individual and collective existence. In Valentinian thought, Anthropos represents the archetype of humanity, the individual aspect of divine reality. Ecclesia, as the assembly, reflects the collective dimension, where the unity of the aeons is realized. The vowels, as the voice of Anthropos, bridge these two aspects, illustrating the interconnectedness of the individual and the collective within the divine order. This unity is further reinforced by the emanative process described in A Valentinian Exposition, where the decad, 10 aeons, and the dodecad, 12 aeons, emerge from word and life, and man and church. Together, these aeons form the full complement of 30 within the Pleroma. The creative role of the vowels associated with Anthropos and Ecclesia symbolizes the unfolding of this divine order, where each element contributes to the harmonious whole. Conclusion. The symbolic relationship between the vowels and Ecclesia in Valentinian cosmology reveals a profound theological insight into the process of divine creation and emanation. The vowels, as carriers of the divine voice, reflect the creative power that shapes Ecclesia as the assembly of divine attributes. This connection emphasizes the unity of individual and collective existence within the Pleroma, where Anthropos and Ecclesia work in harmony to express the fullness of divine reality. Through the sacred symbolism of the vowels, Valentinian thought articulates a vision of creation that is both deeply personal and profoundly communal. The divine voice, embodied in the vowels, not only brings Ecclesia into being, but also sustains the interconnected structure of the Pleroma, reflecting the eternal and harmonious nature of the divine.
And that's that.